Good morning and happy Vlogmas. It's a snow day. Oh, it's really snowing, Gentry. Like really snowing. I've got to stick all the bowls I can out here. Oh, it's really snowing. So we can make some snow cream. I know. I love it. So Gentry, we're gonna wait a little bit longer. We'll come back later and check on it. Okay, Gentry, let's go for a walk to the pond. We are headed out in our neighborhood to get Gentry a COVID test. She was exposed last week. That's why we've been doing everything from home. So she's been under quarantine since Tuesday. But hopefully we get a negative test today and know that we're okay. Is it a lot of pressure?
All right, you ready? Good job, good job.
She does get bloody noses easily, so I don't know if...
I'll give her a tissue. All right.
How'd that feel?
There you go. Just in case you know. I don't think it will. It should be okay. All right, I'll go around this and then the cell in shortly, okay?
Okay, perfect. How'd that feel?
It felt kind of spicy, like when you like put a peppermint in your mouth, like your nose gets like that.
It kind of burns a little.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a great description. It felt kind of spicy.
Yeah.
But it wasn't horrible, was it?
Mm-mm.
Now we just gotta wait for the
It
results.
didn't go as far though.
Like as you thought it would?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, I think in the beginning it used to hit your brain.
I like the first 2 parts, but not the third one.
The first 2 parts, but not the third one?
Yeah, no, I didn't like the thing going up my nose at all.
Oh, gotcha.
It was uncomfortable.
Oh, you mean you like getting your...
I mean, after a little bit, it went down.
Mm-hmm.
And the finger thing wasn't that bad.
Yeah, it just touches your finger. We just left the urgent care and Gentry is negative. That means she can go back to school on Tuesday, which is her last day of in school for the week before Christmas break. So that's party day. So let's bring on the party. We're to the very last part of our fun snow day. The last thing that we're gonna make today is what, Gentry?
Snow cream.
Snow cream. There are definitely recipes out there that call for a lot of ingredients. We do the cheater snow cream because that's our life. We cheat on everything.
Yes, everything.
Well, not test. Sweetened condensed milk and a little vanilla. Mix it all together and you got snow cream. Are you ready? Okay, a few more stirs, and then we got it. Looks good.
Who would like some snow cream?
All right, we're gonna go enjoy our snow cream and watch a little White Christmas. Yeah? Thank you for joining us today on our snow day. We hope you enjoyed it. Happy Advent. We'll see you tomorrow.
Woo!